How to use Printful. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Printful. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to Google and search for printful.com, and here you can sell online, order for yourself, or get enterprise support. So you can see that it has higher profits, 5-star quality, and the fastest production right now. So what you got to do is simply sign up if you don't have an account in it. If you have an account, you can simply click on sign in, and once you do so, you got to write down your credentials and you'll be able to sign into Printful. And here, when you sign in, you'll be able to see two options. One is design your product and the other is connect your store. So if you wish to connect your store, what you got to do is simply you can use numerous stores, such as you can manual order or use any API, or you can choose any stores platform. So you can click on choose platform. And here there are numerous stores that you can choose from. We have Shopify, Etsy, Wix, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Amazon, Square Online, Big Cartel, eBay, TikTok Shop, and other like over here. So you can go and search for it over here. You can see that these two have any third-party integrations. These are not directly. And once you have connected your store, you can simply click on connect, and you can simply then click on install, and after that you can sign into your Shopify store. And once done, you can simply click on product catalog over here, and you'll be able to see your products over here. Now, if you don't have any product already, you can simply click on product templates. If you do have, you can simply choose which type of catalog you want. We have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, accessories, home living, hats, and old products. So let's suppose if you wish to do it for home and living, you can simply click on that, and then you'll be able to see numerous products within this category. We have stickers, we have glossy mug, we have all over print flag, and then we have stainless steel water bottle, canvas, wall calendar, and other things. So for example, if you wish to choose white glossy mug, you can simply click on that, and here you can see that this is a blank cup right now, and you can see it in various backgrounds. And then what you got to do is there are 3 sizes, size 11 OZ, 15, and 20. So you can simply click on create product template. But before you do that, you got to check your delivery time. Now it's really important for you to check your delivery status, because sometimes some products are not available or shipped to some countries. So you got to choose and very carefully and make sure that they ship correctly. And like you can see that here are 13 to 17 days. Now if you want the product quickly, then you need to keep these days in mind. And then you can calculate this over here if you have some discount going on, and then you can simply click on create product template. And once you do so, you'll be taken to another screen, and here you're going to upload any design. So once you upload any design, you'll be able to see that design over here, and then you can see that in different angles that how the mug will look like, and then you can simply click on save to template. And once you have saved that, you'll be able to view all of these products in your product catalog, and then you can simply click on sell on store, and you'll be able to sell those products on the store. So that is basically how you can use Printful. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.